So in this video we are going to talk about linked copies. But before I do that, let me import a part, orient it to a preferable position, and add some automatically generated supports. Linked copies are useful when you are printing lots of similar parts. Imagine you would like to print this part 6 times, you could go to the copy part command, enter 6, and you could copy them. Now this would create 5 copies with the same amount of memory usage and all the functionality included. Now if you would change the support, for example, on the original part, the change would not be reflected in the other parts. The same holds when you are slicing the part. Every part needs to be sliced separately. So there must be a better way to do this, and that is why we've created a command called linked copies. So with linked copies you can basically create a shadow part that will remain exactly the same as the original. So you can create a linked copy over the edit menu and then paste as a linked copy. This will just create one. Or I could go to the array copy and check this linked copy box. This will create 6 parts. Now I can move the linked copies individually, independent of the reference of the part that they reference. So I will place them a bit separate from each other. Any other things of the linked copy cannot be changed. However, when you modify the original referenced part, you will notice that the change is applied to all the linked copies as well. This holds for rotations, but also for things like support edits. You can see it applies the change to all of them. The linked copies are displayed in your part list as well, but they don't have any other properties like the source part. When you are slicing this, the advantage will be that the slicer only needs to slice one part, and the slices for the original part will then be copied into the output stream. So this will save you a lot of time and memory during slicing.